Hello, welcome to the lecture. In the previous lecture, we were doing organization culture. So, we have completed functions of organization culture in the previous lecture. In this lecture, we are going to start levels of culture, which is given by Edgar Schein. So, he is an organizational psychologist. So, let us look what are the levels of culture which Edgar Schein has given. So, Edgar Schein has defined three levels of organization culture that provide a framework for understanding how culture actually influences the behavior of the individual who are working within an organization or who is part of the organization. So, there are three levels under this. First is observable artifacts, then we have shared values and common assumptions. All these represent the different layers at which culture manifests, ranging from visible signs to deep seated beliefs. Now, let us look at the levels one by one. First is observable artifacts of culture. So, these are the visible, tangible aspects of culture that anyone can see or hear when they are observing, when they are looking at the organization. Artifacts include the symbols, practices, or structures that provide insight into an organization cultural identity that has become the identity of a particular organization. So, under this, we have physical symbols. So, this might be the office design, the ambience of the office, dress code of the employees working over there, logo of the organization, then slogans or motto of that particular organization, and brand color which the brand holds. For example, Google has a vibrant and playful office design that reflects its emphasis on innovation and creativity. Next, we have rituals and ceremonies. So, regular events such as team building activities, then monthly performance awards or yearly performance award, star award for the best colleague, or organizational celebration or meetups. For example, a college which is conducting Best Educator of the Year award highlight the importance of teaching excellence which is being provided in that institute. Next, we have the organizational heroes. These are the founders or the leaders whose value influence the whole organization. Like Sri Ratan Tata is often celebrated in the Tata Group for his ethical leadership that is inspiring the employees to prioritize the ethics and social responsibility. So, leaders actually influence these artifacts in a significant manner. If a university deans promote open and transparent communication within the whole university, then they might set up informal discussion spaces for faculty and for the students that will show a transparent and a collaborative culture. So, over the period of time, such practices shape the employees and the students' behavior to reflect these culture which is being established in the organization and which is being followed by the organizational members. Next level of culture. Under the level of culture, we have shared values. So, shared values from the very core belief and principles that guide an organization practices and decision making which is being followed in the organization. So, these values bind the individuals together and align their efforts with the organization vision and missions. Now, there are two types of values. First, under this, we have the terminal values, then we have the instrumental value. So, what is this terminal value? The ultimate goal or outcome which an organization aspires to achieve, such as they might be concentrating on more of customer satisfaction or more on the innovation and technology part, or they can focus on sustainability, providing goods which are sustainable for the society and for the customers. So, this is the ultimate goal or outcomes an organization aspires to achieve. Right, these are the ultimate goals. Then, for example, Infosys values customer satisfaction and innovation and creativity. So, employees who are working over there are expected to develop customer centric solutions, focusing on the customer problems. That is going to align their goals with the organization missions and objectives. Next type of value is instrumental value. These are the behavior or the practices that is being adopted to achieve these goals. So, for achieving the ultimate goals, certain behavior has to be adopted, certain habit has to be cultivated, or practices needs to be followed. Such as that could be honesty or having team collaboration, teamwork, or diligence. So, like a university might emphasize on teamwork, that becomes the ultimate instrumental value among the students and the staff to achieve that academic excellence. Now, that will be the terminal value. For example, group projects in classroom fosters collaboration to meet the learning objectives. So the main objective is learning. For that, what has been done in the or in the school, group projects in the classroom is being provided that will cultivate cooperation, collaboration, so that learning could be provided. So for achieving the ultimate goals, certain habits or behavior has to be inculcated, right? So these are the type of shared values. So shared values transform the routine activities into meaningful and great contributions. For example, maintaining a clean environment in an organization reflects the values and norms